How to do and where to find this Add Yours Instagram Change Story sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So first of all, um, I will show you from where you can find this Add Yours sticker. And for that you will have to go to your Instagram profile, click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Now from this place you will have to go to December, add yours at highlights. If you go to your stories, then you will see that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So the place where you will find that add your sticker is at December at yours at highlights. If the highlights are not loading, you can go to the description box below and search for a tutorial that will definitely help you. And then just click on the add yours button once you'll find your favorite sticker. And if you cannot click on the Add Yours button, you can also find a useful tutorial in the description box below. Now you can go to your uploads and choose some photo for this Add Your sticker. I will go with this photo right here. And you can just share this with your friends. If you want to add another photo, you just have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you to the gallery once again. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it. You can comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. And you can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.